The 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan, brought to you by Berge Volkswagen, showcases a refined and contemporary exterior design that effortlessly combines sophistication with sporty flair. Its sharp character lines, chrome accents, and signature LED lighting elements create a dynamic and upscale appearance. The front fascia, featuring a bold grille and sleek headlights, gives the Tiguan a distinctive presence on the road. Optional features like the panoramic sunroof and larger alloy wheels further enhance its stylish look, making it a standout in the compact SUV segment. The back seats of the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan are designed to provide comfort and flexibility. Passengers in the rear enjoy ample legroom and supportive seating, making longer journeys more pleasant. The sliding and reclining functions of the rear seats add to the comfort, while the 40-20-40 split folding design allows for versatile cargo configurations. Additionally, available features such as rear climate vents and USB charging ports ensure that backseat passengers remain comfortable and connected. The 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan is designed with convenience in mind, offering a range of features to simplify everyday tasks. Keyless entry and push-button start provide effortless access and ignition, while the hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading cargo more convenient. The versatile cargo area, combined with numerous interior storage options, accommodates various storage needs. Multi-zone climate control ensures that all passengers enjoy their preferred temperature settings, enhancing overall comfort on every journey. Performance in the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan is marked by a smooth and confident driving experience. Equipped with a turbocharged engine, the Tiguan delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. The available 4-motion all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability, particularly in challenging driving conditions. With responsive steering and a well-tuned suspension, the Tiguan offers agile handling and a comfortable ride, making it ideal for city driving and long-distance travel. Inside the Tiguan, you'll find a thoughtfully designed cabin that blends functionality with premium touches. High-quality materials and a clean, modern layout create an inviting atmosphere. The ergonomically designed seats provide excellent support, while the spacious cabin offers generous headroom and legroom for all occupants. Ambient lighting and optional leather upholstery add to the sense of luxury, and the intuitive placement of controls ensures ease of use for the driver. The 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan is equipped with advanced technology to enhance the driving experience. The central feature is the extensive touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The digital cockpit display provides customizable information directly in front of the driver, enhancing convenience and safety. Additional tech features include a premium audio system, wireless charging, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring all passengers stay connected and entertained. Safety is a top priority in the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan, which comes with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard safety features include forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The Tiguan also offers adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance to add peace of mind on the highway. With its comprehensive safety suite, the Tiguan aims to protect its occupants and enhance driving confidence. The 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan is a well-rounded and versatile compact SUV that excels in design, performance, and practicality. Its stylish exterior, comfortable interior, and advanced technology make it appealing to a wide range of drivers. The emphasis on safety and convenience further enhances its value, making it an excellent option for families and individuals alike. Whether navigating urban streets or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Volkswagen Tiguan is equipped to meet your needs with style and reliability. For more information or to take a look at this vehicle, visit us online at bergevw.com or give us a call at 480-646-4858.